prepositions of place. Above, meaning at or to a higher place or position than something or somebody. Example, our friends in the apartment above us are really noisy. After, meaning one follows the other. Example, he ran after her with the book. By, meaning near or at the side of. Example, the telephone is by the window. Beneath, meaning under someone or something. Example, Jamie hid the letter beneath a pile of papers. Next to or beside, meaning at the side of someone or something. Example, we lay beside the pool to dry off in the sun. The hotel is situated next to the lively bustling port. Beside and next to have the same meaning. The only difference between beside and next to is their level of formality. Beside is generally considered to be more formal than next to. Near or close to, meaning near or close to is a short distance from a person or thing. Example, there is a bush near the school playground. The new shopping center is close to the railway station. Between, meaning something in or through the space that separates two things, objects, or places. Example, there is a gulf between the two cities. Among, meaning in the middle of or surrounded by other people or things. Example, the girl quickly disappeared among the crowd. In front of, meaning farther forward than someone or something else. Example, they massed in front of the city hall. Behind, meaning at or towards the back of a thing or person. Example, the horse fell behind in the race. Across from or opposite, meaning in a position facing someone or something, but on the other side. Example, the hospital is opposite the post office. The shoe store is across from the bank. Under, meaning below or at a lower level than something, or covered by something. Example, we slept under the open sky. Below, meaning in a lower place or position than something else. Example, he dived below the surface of the water. Over, meaning above or higher than something, without touching it. On something or covering it. Example, she held the umbrella over both of us. In, for describing place, the preposition in is used for the largest or most general places. Generally, we use in for countries, cities, neighborhood, enclosed space. For example, in England, in America, in London, in New York, in Manhattan, in Chinatown, in a traffic jam, in a building, in a car. On, the preposition on is used for more specific places, like certain streets. Generally, we use on for means of transport, surfaces, communications. For example, on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a table, on a wall, on the floor, on the roof, on the radio, on the television, on the phone, on the internet. At, the preposition at is used for something at a point. Generally, we use it for exact addresses or intersections, specific locations/points, communications. For example, at 23 Birch Street, at 734 State Street, at the Empire State Building, at the corner, at the bus stop. Are you ready to check your progress? Type your answers in the comments section, and then cross-check with the key given in the description. Subscribe us for free IELTS, language development and soft skills tips.
Inspira.